Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to join a server on Discord. First of all, launch open Discord application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. Now at left, you'll be able to see all the servers that you've joined over here. If you want to join a server, what you have to do is simply tap on the plus icon that you can see right over here on your screen. Now after you do that, you'll be able to join a server. You can also create your own server if you want. You can see over here, you'll be able to create your server. You can start from the template like gaming, school club, etc. But if you want to join the server, tap on this option, join a server, that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be able to join an existing server. All you have to do is simply enter the invite link over here. You can see over here the invite link will look like this. It will start with HTTPS. So if you have the invite link, simply enter the invite link over here. Or if you want to join the public server where anyone can join, what you have to do is simply enter the server name over here. For example, I'm just going to type in Roblox. Now after you do that, tap on this option, join with invite link, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be invited to join that particular server. Tap on this option, accept invite, that you can see on the screen. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here, you've joined that particular server. So like this, you'll be able to join the server, or you can also join the student hub if you want. For that, tap on the plus icon again. Now after you do that, tap on this option, join a server again. Now over here, you'll be able to find this option for join a student hub. Tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to join the student hub. All you have to do is simply enter your official school email address over here. Tap on this field and enter the official school email address. The email address will be in the format name@school.edu. After you do that, tap on this option, join hub, that you can see on the screen, and you'll also be able to join the student hub. So that is how you join a server in Discord. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.